Spoken English, English speaking practice. ଏହି ଫୋନ୍ କାହାର? Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଦୁଃଖିତ. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that. ମୁଁ କିଛି କହୁଛି. I'm saying something. I am saying something. ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ମୋତେ ଡାକିଲ? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? ସେ ମୋତେ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ କହିଥିଲେ. He told me about this. He told me about this. ତାଙ୍କୁ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେବାକୁ ଦିଅ. Let her take the decision. Let her take the decision. ଏହା ଗୋଟେ ସାଧାରଣ କଥା. It's a common thing. It's a common thing. ମୁଁ ଭେଟିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି. I would like to meet. I would like to meet. ମୋତେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଯିବାକୁ ଦିଅ. Let me go first. Let me go first. କିଏ ଚିଲ୍ଲାଉଛି? Who is shouting? Who is shouting? ମୋର ଖାଇବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଉଛି. I feel like eating. I feel like eating. ତୁମେ ଏବେ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛ କି? Are you busy now? Are you busy now? ମୋର ନିଜ ଉପରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଅଛି. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. ମୋତେ ସବୁ କୁହ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. ଚାଲ ଏବେ ଘରକୁ ଯିବା. Let's go home now. Let's go home now. ମୁଁ କାହା ସହିତ କଥା ହେବିନି. I won't talk to anyone. I won't talk to anyone. ଏହାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କଡ଼ରେ ରଖିଦିଅ. Keep it aside. Keep it aside. ଏହା ମୋ ଉପରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. ଭିତର କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି. Nobody is inside. Nobody is inside. ତୁମର ଗୋଟେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ଡେରି ହୋଇଯାଇଛି. You are late by an hour. You are late by an hour. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେଉଁଠି ପାଉନାହିଁ. I can't find him anywhere. I can't find him anywhere. ସମସ୍ତେ ଏପରି କୁହନ୍ତି. Everybody says so. Everybody says so. କେହି ଏହାକୁ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ. Nobody notices it. Nobody notices it. ମୋ ରାସ୍ତାରୁ ଉଠିଯାଅ. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. ମୋତେ ଏସବୁ କୁହନି. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. ତାଙ୍କୁ ପରିହାସ କର ନାହିଁ. Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି. I feel much better. I feel much better. ଏହା ହସିବାର ସମୟ କି? Is it time to laugh? Is it time to laugh? ମୁଁ ତାହା କେବେ କହିନି। I never said that. I never said that. ସତରେ ତୁମେ ବୋକା। You are really fool. You are really fool. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ଚାକର ନୁହଁ। I am not your servant. I am not your servant. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଟଙ୍କା ନାହିଁ। I have no money. I have no money. ସେ ଯାଇପାରିଲାନି। He couldn't go. He couldn't go. ଭଲ ଭାବେ ଝରକା ବନ୍ଦ କର। Shut the windows properly. Shut the windows properly. ଚଟାଣରେ ଛେପ ପକାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. କାରରୁ ଓହ୍ଲାଅ। Get off the car. Get off the car. ମୋତେ ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ବଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me live peacefully. Let me live peacefully. ମୋତେ ଦୁଇଟା ଯାକ ପସନ୍ଦ। I like both. I like both. ତୁମର କ'ଣ ହେଲା? What happened to you? What happened to you? ପାଦ ଘୋଷାଡ଼ ନାହିଁ। Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପରେ ଆମେ ଭେଟିଲୁ। We met after a long time. We met after a long time. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା। Nice to see him. Nice to see him. ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଦେଖାଯାଏ କି? Do I look good? Do I look good? ମୋତେ ଘରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବେ କି? Will you drop me home? Will you drop me home? ତୁମ ଘର କେଉଁଠି? Where is your home? Where is your home? ତୁମ କାମ ହୋଇଯିବ। Your work will be done. Your work will be done. ତୁମେ ଜଣେ ଧୋକାବାଜ ଲୋକ। You are a cheater. You are a cheater. ଲାଇଟ୍ ଜଳେଇ ଦିଅ। Switch on the light. Switch on the light. ସେ ଜଣେ ବେପାରୀ। He is a businessman. He is a businessman. ଚାଲ ଏହା କରିବା। Let's do it. Let's do it. ସତ କ'ଣ? What is the truth? What is the truth? ମୋ ସହିତ ଖେଳନି। Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Here is a question for you. ମୁଁ କିଛି ଦେଖି ନାହିଁ। ଏହାର ଇଂଲିଶ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ୍ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖି ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you and take care.